हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने चैनल पायनियर इंस्टीट्यूट 171983 पर। तो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि जब आपका मन घर बैठे मैथ्स पढ़ने का करता है तो आप यूट्यूब पर आसान सॉल्यूशन सर्च करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सर्चिंग अब समाप्त होती है आपके अपने चैनल पायनियर इंस्टीट्यूट 171983 पर अपने डियर सचिन सर के साथ, जो आपको आपके सवालों के सरल से सरल सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड कराते हैं। तो चलिए पढ़ते हैं मैथ्स अपने डियर सचिन सर के साथ।
Hello 7th class student, welcome to your channel Pioneer Institute 171983. Now we are starting exercise 2.5. Question number 1, which is greater? We have given two quantities, 0.5 or 0.05. So we have a method for you. First of all, we will same the decimal place values. Here we have one digit after decimal, and here is two digit after decimal. So always we will equal the digits after decimal. The solution is 0.5 or 0.05. Here are decimal 1 digit and here are decimal 2 digit. So we will use 0, only 0. Put 1 zeros, then the point and 2 digit, point and 2 digit. This is the first process. After, we can forget this decimal. Then this is 15 or this is 5. Which are greater? 15. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. So this is the process. You can take it in your brain. It is not necessary to write in your notebook. So next part is 0.7 or 0.5 both have 0.7, 0.1 digit, 0.1 digit. Same digits after decimal. So forget the decimal 7 and 5. So which are greater? 7. And here is every whole number after decimal. So here is decimal. So decimal 1 digit and decimal no digit. So you will use 0. Forget the decimal. This is 70 or this is 7. So which are greater? Yes. Same point 2 digit, point 2 digit. Forget the decimal. 137 and 149 which are greater? 149. Decimal 2 digit, decimal 2 digit. Forget the decimal 203 and 230 which are greater? 230. Same decimal 2 digit, decimal 1 digit. So then you will use 0. Forget the decimal. This is 18 and this is 88 which are greater? 88. So this is the procedure of the question which are greater. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Express as rupees using decimals. We all know very well how much paise in 1 rupee. Then 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. And 100 is goes transpose then comes in divide, and here I remain 1 paise. So 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. It is important. The last students is know how many rupees in 1 paise. They confused. If you know this, then you have not confused. So first we have 7 paise. We will convert it into rupees. Then 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Then 7 paise, when we want to convert 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So then 1 upon 100 rupee. 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Then we will put on the place of 1 paise. On the place of 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Then 7 upon 100 rupees. Means when we convert into decimal, then 0 point we have 20. So we will put after 2 digit, put the sign of decimal. So this is conversion of rupees. This is the first question. So I have tell you in detail. But in the other parts you can solve directly. Second part, 7 rupees and 7 paise. So this is rupees. Then 7 plus 7 paise convert into rupees, then divide by 100. Both are rupees. This is rupees also. Then plus this is convert in rupees and add to 7 rupees. Then 7 plus this is 0.07, and every number in last decimal. Then when you add this, then 7.07 and add 7.07. When we add to any numbers, then decimal down decimal. You cannot mistake. 7.07 rupees. This is the conversion of your decimal. Next we will solve some fast problem 3. 77 rupees plus 77 paise. Then simply 77 plus divide by 100 means 0.77 rupees. Now it is rupees when we put the decimal. When we add, then 77.77 rupees. This is the conversion of the decimals. And the next is 50 paise. 50 paise. Then 50 upon 100 rupees. Conversion 0 point after. We have in denominator 2 zeros, then after 2 decimal places we will put the sign of decimal rupees. Then the fifth is 235 paise. Conversion in rupees, then divide by 100 and convert into rupees. After 2 digit we will put the sign of decimal. So this is 2.35. So this type you have 2 question completed. For the next question, watching continue your channel Pioneer Institute 171983, your dear Sachin sir.